Muhammad Akhlaq is a Pakistani politician who was the Provincial Minister of Punjab for Special Education, in office from 13 September 2018 till April 2022. He had been a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from August 2018 till January 2023. He was born on 1 May 1956 in Sialkot, Pakistan. He holds a degree of Bachelor of Commerce. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League N PML-N from Constituency PP-122 Sialkot-II in 2008 Pakistani general election. He received 33,959 votes and defeated Raja Amer Khan, a candidate of Pakistan People's Party PDP. In September 2012, the Supreme Court of Pakistan disqualified him as member of the Punjab Assembly. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf from Constituency PP-36 Sialkot-II in 2018 Pakistani general election. On 12 September 2018, he was inducted into the Provincial Punjab Cabinet of Chief Minister Sardar Usman Bustar. On 13 September 2018, he was appointed as Provincial Minister of Punjab for Special Education. This article about a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab is a stop. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.